I was just chilling at home, bag of smart corn in hand, scrolling through Reddit when I stumbled upon this wild image. I couldn't help myself. I screamed chicken jockey at the top of my lungs. Popcorn went flying everywhere, and my family was just staring at me like I'd lost my mind. "You're a disappointment," they said. I mean, come on. If that post had just been tagged NSFW, none of this chaos would have happened. My phone slipped from my grip, and suddenly it was a full-blown food fight in the living room. People were throwing snacks, yelling, and I was just there, covered in popcorn, thinking, this could have all been avoided. So please, for the love of sanity, tag your posts. Save us all from the popcorn pandemonium.